Hi guys. So what I got going on today is a DIY photo backdrop idea that I had for photographing my mini paintings on my table. So I wanted something, I just ended up picking these from the grocery store and this poster board as well. But you can pick these items up at any dollar store, Dollar Tree, or whatever. So that would be a good size because I want it on my table since I have my lights on the table at either side. And then I got this piece left over, which I figure would be perfect to have it like so. And then this way, have those edges taped on both sides. I might have to have something on the back here just to hold it up. But yeah, I think that will work out quite well for that. And then I got this because I figured I can cut this out to size, like so. Just cut it out to size, and then the other, oh yeah, be able to fit that whole thing. So once I have it cut out, then I was going to I was going to glue it on, but then I thought, well, I might want to change up the color too. So I thought, why not clip it on? So I've got these clips here that I ended up picking up from the grocery store, and then that way I can just use them to clip the sides here. And then once I want to change the color on it for a different type of painting, or for like seasonal stuff like Christmas, I want to do red instead, then I can use a red sheet and put it over top. That way I'm not having to have a bunch of these because I don't have a whole lot of space. So I figure, you know, just the clamping them on would be a better idea. So I'm going to speed up the video here just to show you the process. That's a white charcoal pencil that I'm using, just so I can see the lines much better. Next, cutting. Put that there, up on the table, take a bunch of photos. But I also had another idea for this as well, and that is, like, instead of having it just plain black, which this will work really nice for like the Halloween stuff, or like skull paintings and that. But I also thought it looked really nice too to add a little bit of texture to it. So I have a sea sponge, and gonna use some white and black paint and just do a bunch of dabbing with it and get that real nice texture effect, and get a really good looking backdrop for taking photos. So I'll be using a ivory black. This is a transparent black, so it'll look real nice. It's not gonna cover up too much white. If I want areas a bit darker, then I'll use the regular black. That's just the bottom part. Now this guy, with this sponge, you can smudge it too if you want. That's what I'm doing here, is smudging it a little bit. I'm not going to get too crazy with this one because I'll have it probably further away there. The top part, I went over a bunch of times. If you ever try this and you don't like how it looks, don't worry. Just add more layers, a little bit more white where you want it, and then add to mix the white and black, or add a little bit of black to it. Just keep adding layers until you're happy with it. But this, I'm pretty happy with. Turned out pretty good. And then, this is how the bottom turned out. Not too bad. Alright, well here it is on the table and it fits perfect. Now, let's put it to the test. And here's how the photos turned out. Not too bad. I hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching.